Hey guys, it's Maymay, and it's time for our Scripture Stamp of the Month Club reveal. And this month we had a little bit of fun. This one is a cute one. You're gonna love it. If you're interested in joining either of our clubs, our original club or our Scripture Club, I'll have the information for you below, including a video that explains how you can join. Now, this set is absolutely over the top fun. I just think it's adorable, and we kind of just took it and ran with it, and I think you're going to love it too. This particular set is called S'more Jesus. Are you kidding me? How cute is this? These are some little s'mores that are made so that you can color them, put them on your cards, your gift tags, your wood projects. Yes, I have one of those coming for you guys. I don't have samples for you of this one this week, but that's because it's Thanksgiving week. It's been a short week. I will be using this when we get back after the holidays, so I can show you some little samples of it. But let's go over what they say. So look at this one. The first one says, "No one loves you s'more than Jesus." This one says, "I love you s'more." This one says, "Pray s'more, worry less." This is directly because of Jamie. Jamie said one day in the office that her grandmother used to say, if you're going to pray about it, don't worry about it. And if you're going to worry about it, don't pray about it. I totally thought this is a perfect place for that. So pray s'more, worry less. And this is because of Vinny. This is one he quotes all the time. God is able to do s'more than we can ask or think. And then this little sentiment for the inside says, warmly lifting you up to the Father in prayer. I love these little s'mores. This guy and this guy look like they could be on the slopes together in their little warm winter outfits. This one is wrapped in Christmas lights with an ornament hanging off of his little branch. This guy's holding a little heart-shaped peppermint. He's got two candy canes together. And this guy's just taking a bath in the hot tub. He's adorable. You also get a marshmallow, a square of chocolate, and a graham cracker. These three images here are perfect for background pages. So if you wanted to do like a background that showed all the things that make up a s'more, too cute. So there it is, guys. This is called S'more Jesus, and it's available to you even if you're not a club member. You can also purchase this. It's just a little more expensive. Club members get them for $11.99 with no shipping, and then regular price is $12.99 plus shipping. But they're adorable. I love it. I can't say it enough. Adorable. Super cute. That's what this set is. Now, we did have a contest last month for our Scripture Club set, and we do have a winner to announce, but because I'm filming this before that contest has ended, the name of the winner will be in the description below, so be sure to check there so you can see who won that contest. And we're doing another contest. You know I want to see what you're making, so when you make something with the S'more Jesus set, share it with us on our customer gallery, where we have over 2,000 entries of inspiration for you guys. If you're looking for an idea for a project, that's the place to go. It's like our very own Pinterest page. It's amazing. Check out the customer gallery at maymaymadeit.com. And every time you put a picture of a new project made with this stamp set, it will enter you into the contest to win a $50 gift card next month, and we'll announce it in our next reveal video. Hey, thanks so much for watching, guys. I cannot wait to see what you guys make. And remember, everybody needs s'more Jesus. Love you guys. Talk to you again real soon. Bye-bye.